your boy Big Samoan, and on this episode of Big Guys Rides, we're gonna go a little bit louder. I'm over here at Lemon Chase's, my boy Brooklyn Joe's shop, and we're gonna drop in some JBA Catless downpipes. So it will be 100% straight pipe after this. I know the cold starts are gonna be a bitch. I got a lot of car guys in my neighborhood, so they probably won't mind. A lot of people are just retirees, so they sleep in, so I don't give a fuck. And let's take a look at the shop, man. Yep, I'm gonna go bye-bye.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Alright, so what are you doing now?
Well, we did dyno day, and we had to disconnect your ABS and stuff. So your ABS light is on because it didn't trigger. So I just want to go through, clear all the codes, make sure everything's up to par, make sure your 2 cents is not reading crazy. As soon as that is done, I will give the keys to the wash guys, and your car gets a wash and a vacuum.
Cool, man.
It's part of the deal, brother.
Sounds great. Thank you.
That's what we do here at Lemon Chase's.
So being the dumbass that I am, in perfect fashion, I didn't really like the way it came out with the straight pipes. But we did discover that the cats were suffocated. One of the cats on the right was completely stuffed up, so it was actually causing some issues with the horsepower, the tune, you name it. So that eliminated is actually going to be very helpful. It does feel like it has a lot of go, but some reason on the 5.7 at 2,000 RPMs, it sounds like a goddamn fart can, I swear to God. Worst sound ever. On the low end, idling, startup, it sounds just menacing. But for some reason, it just has a really weird ass sound right at 2,000 RPMs. Almost sounded like a J brake when I was on the interstate. So we're here back at Auto Mech, the first place I went to get the muffler delete. And they're gonna throw in these resonators, kind of like race bullets, but a little more insulation, a little more pack. So hopefully that'll kind of kill that 2,000 RPM fart noise, and then keep that aggressive sound in the airflow. Almost there. A few more welds and this is it. I am done messing with this muffler, exhaust system, whatever you call it. You can take it to 6. Very good.